Alright, what's up, YouTube? It is Jeremy from yingflex. I'm here with Fallon.
What's up, guys?
And we're about to just, I don't know, make a quick video or something like that, a vlog.
Yeah, and take pictures and stuff.
Yeah. And just got out of the water. So if I sound all like stuffy or like I'm sick, sorry about that. I'm just really cold.
I feel like everybody's
So yeah, now that's out of the way. You good to go or?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
All eye lyrical, all eyes divisible, all identical, quote fly presentable. It's been a minute since I stepped in it. Let me finish, spit a sentence, split percentage, fist and clenches, sick inventions, in suspense in the trenches, twisting wrenches, lefty loosey, played a buddy Gary Busey, out of looting groupies, eating Cuba, popping up for pocketbooks with Uzis. Who produced me? I'm picky choosy, lazy Susie. One line is Charlie Brown and Snoopy. I keep something in the repertoire. Catch the fall, I've been bumming like the rest of y'all. Hold the rope tighter. Dead poet to ghost writer. Foresighted of forehead of some more biters. Proud fighter with laryngitis and pro-lighters.
Okay, so right now we're taking pictures on a pier for this company called Fallon. What's the company called?
It's called Cali Strong.
What's
Cali
it called?
Strong?
Cali Strong.
Yeah, it's right here on it, on the jacket he's wearing, or what I'm wearing.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's a really chill company. You guys should check it out.
yeah, I don't really know too much about it. I just know we're taking pictures. So yeah.
Light is still an all-nighter, hit the snooze button. Still puffing, it's all nothing since a young 20-something. You've been trying to prove something. Where the scene go? And the forest from Greenbow. Yeah, I'd like to work with you, but it's not free though. Set your TiVo, catch it cause it's never been slow. Through the peephole, see what they selling to the people. Been yelling for my ego. I put the pen down and tell them how the thing go.
Oh, alright, so we're done with the pictures. And now we're just gonna go chill, walk around, maybe get some more good footage. And then I think we're gonna go eat at some Mexican place. Yeah, and then after that, we're gonna call it a
You
day.
know what? Dude,
Bruh.
You want to go downtown?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, that'd be pretty good. Check this out, bro. I'm on my white boy type pitch right now. I've been rode a skateboard in like 10 years. I'm over here just rocking this joint right now. Hey. Water. Ooh. Just kidding. But yeah, so far, today's been going really, really well. Oh! Taking some really good pictures. And now we're about to head over to downtown to take some more pictures, which, you know, Fallon brought that up, and I thought that was a really cool idea. So, ooh, yeah, that's what we want to do now. All right, so we're back to the car. We're gonna leave the beach and go downtown. So yeah, we're just gonna put our skateboards in real quick and go.
Right now at Outback Steakhouse, swing them by tonight.
Enjoy the biggest summer blockbusters for less at Redding's.
All right, so I actually lied. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't lie. So what happened was we were gonna go to downtown, then we realized it's gonna be really hard to get parking in downtown, and then we were driving to this special place I'm gonna reveal in a second, and we saw the traffic coming from downtown, and we're glad we didn't go to downtown because we went to the Balboa Park.
Balboa Park.
Yeah, we're at Balboa Park right now.
Dude,
And
night portrait. Let's do that.
Yeah. I don't know. Just more footage.
Yeah, it's
maybe more
really
pictures.
beautiful place, dude.
Yeah, I guess more photos too. Yep. Fun day, fun stuff. Ooh.
You should smile. You should smile, like right here, and so I can get like hold on.
This
You
dude
can
is
smile.
taking pictures of the little statues that show the boobs.
Honestly though, like your face like smiling and then like me being that in the background would look hilarious. You know, let's do that as a video.
Okay.
Cause I have to like focus.
Okay, so we're done taking most of the pictures here at Balboa, and I have to say today's been a very productive day. Right now I'm sitting in front of the little fountain thing, getting more pictures. Yeah, getting more pictures taken. And if you guys want to see the pictures, I'm gonna leave mine and Fallon's Instagrams, like I'm gonna leave the names up at the end of the video, and you guys really should go follow us. So yeah.
Yeah, let's go, homies. Wait. There it is. All right.
Hello, welcome to Santana. What can I get for you?
May I have 2 carne asada fries, please?
Anything else?
Nope, that'll be it.
I'll give you to the next two. Thank you.
Thank you. You too, thank you. What you got? Huh? Oh no.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. I know for a fact that I'm about to enjoy these carne asada fries that I just got. Stay tuned for more stuff. This is my first vlog. I'm happy how it went, and I'm probably gonna do a lot more in the future. And for the photos that we took today, make sure you guys go check out mine and Fallon's Instagrams, which I'm gonna see if I can put it right here, and then the other one like right there. So yeah, and please like and subscribe, and yeah, later.
I shall.